Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Here comes the first word and that is magnet. In Korean it is 자석. 자석. Now let's see how to say steel in Korean and that is 강철. 강철. Here comes the next word and that is challenge and it is called 도전. 도전. Next is the word for gun and it is 총. 총. Very easy, just one syllable word. Now let's move ahead and see the next word and that is bubble and in Korean it is 거품. 거품. Here comes the next word and that is microscope and it is called 현미경. 현미경. Now let's see the seventh word and that is the word for emperor. In Korean it is 황제. 황제. Next comes the word for empress. In Korean 황후. 황후. Ninth word of this video is tail and it is 꼬리. 꼬리. And the last word is coal. In Korean it is called 석탄. 석탄. Alright, so in this video we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.